So far in this competition, Angela hasn't been afraid to take risks with her experimental approach to food.
Angela, you've got an extraordinary varied group of ingredients upon your bench. Does that mean this experimental cooking of yours is going to continue?
They're not crazy experimental, they're just little touches, something a little different. My first course is carpaccio of venison with a watercress salad and raspberry vinaigrette. My second course is salmon with a sticky glaze, stir-fried vegetables and miso potatoes. And then for my pudding, I'm doing a lemon and basil tart with strawberry balsamic cream. I think that's my crazy element.
You are a very young quarter-finalist. Does that mean you haven't got the knowledge of the other contestants?
I don't know, because I think I've been cooking since I was, since I could walk and talk, really. I've always been in the kitchen. I'd love to do it as a living.
Why?
Because I'm fed up of being a temp. I'm just temping at the moment. I haven't really got any sort of direct career path. I spent ages at university following what everyone wanted me to do, and now I want to do something that I want to do, which is cooking.
So this is for you?
Yes, it's for me.
I'm really interested in this lemon mousse-type tart with basil. For some reason, I trust her mixture of flavour. I think that's really, really intelligent.
1 minute! It's finishing touches now, it's 1 minute. "20 seconds.
Ladies and gentlemen, step away from your bench. All you three played it tight.
Angela's first course is carpaccio of venison with watercress salad and a raspberry vinaigrette.
I do like the look of this dish. You did this because it was relatively simple to free up time for the more complex stuff. I understand that perfectly. The lovely sweetness of that vinaigrette coating that carpaccio that's been well seasoned. I mean, nice.
It's a big gamble, and your gamble's paid off. It's a really good dish, but it's also a very, very clever dish for a competition. Intelligent cooking, delicious cooking.
Will Angela now up the ante with her Asian glazed salmon, stir-fried vegetables and miso potatoes?
It's giving you exactly what it looks like it's going to give you. Sweetness of salmon, and then we crunch onto sympathetically cooked vegetables. I think you've cooked everything very well. I think it's an unremarkable dish.
Your salmon's cooked beautifully, really beautifully, and it has got a sticky, lovely, sweet glaze on the outside of it. Your vegetables are crunchy, so there's a little bit of flavour coming from those potatoes, the miso, but the punch is what's missing.
Yeah.
Because it is about getting to a semi-final, and we're trying to find that wow factor.
Can Angela now show she has what it takes with her lemon and basil tart served with strawberry and balsamic cream?
I get a beautifully fresh, refreshing lemon tart. And on the top, I get this absolutely remarkable, rich, deep balsamic flavour that ends up in strawberry. It's a flavour sensation I've never experienced. It shows either the cooking brain of a dessert genius or a loony scientist. Do you mind if I go back in again to see, just with the tart, see if I get the basil? Yeah, you do.
I like it because every single component part is made very, very well.
How, honestly, do you think you've done today?
I know I've still got a little way to go. I'm not the finished product yet, but I think I'm a good way there.
This is really tough because we know that all three of you are great cooks. We only have one place. The winner of our quarterfinal is Angela. Congratulations.
Well done, well done. Oh my God, I got to leave that through!